Hey guys, I'm Chelsea from Black Pearl, and today I'm here with Lyre's. We're going to teach you how to make a non-alcoholic amaretto sour with 75% less calories. Amaretto sour is a crowd favorite. They're delicious. It's probably one of the first cocktails I think I ever had and actually enjoyed. So I'm going to teach you how to do that at home. We're going to begin with 75 mils of the Amaretti. This will give you that nice almond marzipan-y flavor we're looking for. So just all the way up to the top of these jiggers here. Next we'll need about 5 mils of sugar syrup. Again, really not much, just bumping up that sweetness level just a little bit. Okay, now about 15 mils of lemon, or about half the juice of a small lemon. This again will just give it that nice sour flavor we're looking for. Lastly, we're going to use egg white. Just going to give it a bit of a crack. And we just want to get rid of that yolk. Just passing to and from. That's going to homogenize the flavors a little bit for you and give you that nice frothy head and texture that people love in a sour. Now we're going to give it a bit of a dry shake. So dry shaking again, we're just going to aerate it, and that's really going to help develop that foam. You'll notice that you'll actually hear it when it starts to foam up. You can see all that nice foam in there. We've got that done, and now we just need to dilute it a little bit and cool it down. So we're going to add some ice. Right, we want to give that a little bit of a nice shake. Okay, and again, you can see all that foam that's developed. So now we're going to double strain that into a glass that we filled earlier with some ice. And look at that delicious creamy texture. We're just going to garnish it with a cherry and a lemon on a skewer. And there you have it, the Lyre's Amaretto Sour. For more recipes and to shop the full range, go to lyres.co.